Welcome to our exploration of how artificial intelligence is set to transform our world. From healthcare to education, AI is poised to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact. Imagine a world where doctors have AI-powered assistants that analyze patient data in seconds.
With AI, I can diagnose conditions earlier and more accurately. It's like having a second opinion instantly.
AI will enhance diagnostics, predict outbreaks, and personalize treatment plans, leading to better patient outcomes and reduced costs. In education, AI can provide tailored learning experiences for every student.
My AI tutor understands my learning style and helps me with subjects I struggle with.
From personalized lesson plans to real-time feedback, AI can help students reach their full potential, bridging gaps in traditional education. In the workplace, AI will automate mundane tasks, freeing up time for creativity and innovation.
With AI handling data, we can focus on strategy and growth.
This shift will require reskilling, but it promises a more efficient and dynamic work environment. AI can also play a crucial role in addressing climate change.
AI helps us model climate scenarios and optimize renewable energy usage.
From smart grids to wildlife conservation, AI technologies can drive sustainable practices worldwide. But it's not all smooth sailing. AI presents challenges in ethics and privacy.
We must ensure that AI is used responsibly and that its benefits are shared equitably.
Engaging in dialogue about the ethical implications will be crucial as we move forward. Artificial intelligence holds immense potential to change our world for the better. By embracing innovation while addressing ethical concerns, we can create a future where technology enhances our lives. Join us in shaping a better tomorrow. Thank you for watching.